Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, savers. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And look at my pile of stuff that I got from Rite Aid in the last couple of days. Guys, this is all from rolling over those bonus cash rewards from the vitamins and that $10 coupon. And I'm going to show you all how to do it. I'm going to show you how I got all of this for $33.58. And I still have bonus cash to spend. I still have $35 in bonus cash to spend. So guys, get your pencil, your paper, your inserts. Be ready to rock and roll. Okay, guys, so are you ready to save? So I really hope that you watched my first video where I showed you that you could get the $20 in bonus cash for the sundown vitamins. It only works on the sundown vitamins. You get $20 bonus cash when you buy $30 worth of sundown vitamins, because you get the $10 for the weekly promo and then you get the $10 for the monthly promo. So that's $20. So I'm going to show you how you can roll your wellness cash, or excuse me, your bonus cash, so that you can get the best bang for your bucks. See, that's the key to saving at Rite Aid. You have to learn to roll your bonus cash and use it over and over and over again, so that each time you use it, you get some bonus cash back. But what makes the deals even more special this week at Rite Aid is because we have that $10 off 40 coupon. And if you continue to roll that coupon, again, you'll get more and more savings. And that's what we did with paying $33.58 for this, plus getting $35 back in bonus cash. This is how we kept rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling. So let me put the coupon up for you so that if you don't have it, you can go ahead and screenshot it so that you can use it, because it's the same number for everyone. If you have the Rite Aid app, you can use that app, or you can screenshot it off of here. And when you go to checkout, all you have to do is show the cashier your phone, and the cashier will screenshot the coupon. Okay, so I hope you have your cameras ready, your phones ready. So here is the coupon. It is $10 off 40, and you have to spend $10 prior to tax. So it has to be $40 or more prior to tax to make this coupon work. So I'm just going to leave it here just for a couple more seconds, just to make sure that you got the screenshot. Okay, so let's get started. So the very first thing that I did is I went to the store and I got my $30 worth of sundown vitamins, and I bought another $10 worth of items so that it could come up to $40. So I got the vitamins, okay, and I'm missing two smaller ones, but I got a total of 6 vitamins. I got the Vaseline lotion. And the Vaseline lotion, guys, is actually on sale. It's the large ones, 20.3 fluid ounces. They are on sale for $5.99. And if you buy one, you get a $1 bonus buck. And I believe that is a limit of 1. And then I bought, it's a limit of 2 because I got $2. And then I bought 3 3 of these Ajax. And the Ajax is also on a bonus buy. When you buy 2, you get a $5 bonus cash with that. So this is what I purchased. So that was my first round, and I got $25 in extra bucks. Now with your extra bucks do not come on your account. Excuse me, not extra bucks, your wellness bonus cash does not come onto your account until 6 a.m. the next day. So this is 3 days worth of purchases. So I had $27 worth of bonus cash because I got the $20 from the vitamins, and then I got some for the Vaseline, and then I got some for the Ajax. So I went back the next day and I got some more vitamins because they keep track, and I had spent more than $30 that day. So I got more vitamins. I got this Dove soap because I had to reach my $40. I got the two packs of Dove. And there is a coupon in your paper, for $1 for $2 off 2 packs of Dove. So I used 2 Dove coupons. I got the Tresemme. Okay. I actually got 4 bottles of Tresemme, and there is a coupon in your paper where you get $3 off 2 bottles of Tresemme. So I used that. And then I still wasn't at my $40. So I got a pack of M&Ms, and I got 4 packs of the dollar Huggies. I used my coupons for the Tresemme. I used the coupons for the Dove, and I used the coupons for the Sundown vitamins, because those coupons are $2 a piece, and you can use those on the free items. So I got all of this, and I used my $25 in wellness cash. So I got all of this for nothing out of pocket. And I got $20 in wellness cash again. So I went today and I spent my $20 wellness cash. I used my $10 off 40 coupon again. And I got $30 worth of vitamins. Now this time I did the Bounty, the Nature's Bounty. Sorry, guys. Okay. Then I did the Nivea. And there's a coupon in your paper for $2 off Nivea. And I did 3 of the Arm & Hammers. And the Arm & Hammers are buy 1, get 2 free. And there's a coupon out for $1 off each. And at Rite Aid, again, you can use a coupon on your free items. So I used my $22, in wellness bucks. And this is what I got in my $10 coupon. So all of this together came to a total of $33.58. I'm just putting it all back so you guys can see it all again. So that is how you roll your extra, I keep saying extra care because I'm so used to CVS, but that is how you roll your wellness bucks and get the maximum savings. So again, that $10 coupon you can use over and over and over and over and over again. and just continuously roll your wellness bucks. So you'll have to make a trip every day. So you'll have those wellness bucks that you can roll each day and use that to make your out-of-pocket a little lower. Guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope you're able to save and keep on saving.